It is a special day today. To make it more special, we just thought of having a pint of black stuff, which is nothing but Guinness Classic Irish Stout. That too from Guinness Storehouse directly. Yes, it's a 10th anniversary. To make our day special, we want to try something new. We started our tour with this blissful, white, snowy trees and roads. And finally, we reached the destination.
We are in Guinness Storehouse.
Drinking a pint of Guinness will be at the top of any tourist to-do list you will find in Dublin, and with a good racing. Before grabbing my pint of black stuff, let's explore the whole Guinness Storehouse. To escape queue, please do book your tickets online. Before starting the tour, please hit the subscribe button. And here starts my tour. Come along with me and enjoy the tour of Guinness Storehouse. What makes Guinness so famous? There are 4 raw ingredients which makes it so special. One is barley. Number 2, hops. It is a plant. It develops oil and gives flavor and fragrance to Guinness. And third comes yeast. And the last main ingredient is water. This talks about the brewing process, how it is brewed. And here comes the man behind the world famous Guinness, Arthur Guinness. He is the special 5th ingredient. This was one of the steps where the roasting is done. Roasting is done at 232 degrees Celsius, which gives a unique flavor, fragrance and color to the Guinness. These machines play the vital part of milling and mashing of barley, preparing the famous Guinness. They don't focus on the Guinness quality alone. Even the Guinness barrel is being done by them. These were the small tools used in making barrels and barrel rings. and how were these barrels were transported from one country to the other, and they had a special transportation system for themselves in Guinness. They used all means of transport. And this is the most exciting moment where you experience the taste of Guinness in the tasting room of Guinness Storehouse. You experience not only the taste, the smell, the fragrance of the unique Guinness. I would love to share some interesting facts about Guinness before tasting it. Fact number 1. Guinness isn't Guinness. It was named as Porter, later Stout Porter.
Here in the Guinness Storehouse, we're tasting. This is
So folks, as soon as you're sample, please do make your way into the next room. Thank you.
And it's tasting time. We had a chance of tasting Guinness and hope you would get a chance. Please visit Guinness Storehouse. After tasting Guinness, we had a small tour of exhibits of the old Guinness packagings, pins, bottles, and small souvenirs which was kept there. This was something interesting. Good things come to those who wait. Fact number 2. Guinness isn't actually based in Dublin. We are waiting here to taste a special stout where our photos being printed on the Guinness. The most important fact about Guinness. Number 3. Guinness isn't black. It is actually dark, deep red in color. My drink is ready and I'm going to taste it. And this made our day more special. Cheers to us! We are at Guinness Academy, 4th floor.
Happy anniversary to us.
This is said to be the iconic spot in Guinness Storehouse, the Gravity Bar. Enjoy your drink with 360-degree view of Dublin City. Fun fact and healthy fact number 4. It contains folate, fiber and ferulic acid, high in barley and highest level of fiber. We are done with tour, tasting and drinks. It's time for souvenirs. It's a huge store with large collections of souvenirs. We are done with our billing and it's time to exit. Before we exit, I would love to share a final fact about Guinness. This Guinness is behind the Guinness Book of World Records. Hope you all loved this video. And that's it for today's video. Catch you with another video. Until then, bye bye from Kitchen Clicks by Manu with love.